Now, question of the day, find the magnitude of frictional force and acceleration of the block. Okay, our motto, determine magnitude of frictional force and acceleration of the block. Okay, so how can determine? Simply, and that one given 5 kg block and this one rough surface, mu is given. Mu means coefficient of static friction and kinetic friction are same. I hope so clear. Okay, now if make free body diagram, here normal force applied by inclined plane, vertical plane on 5 kg block in this which direction? In this direction. Okay, always perpendicular to surface. So N1 represent like that one. Okay, and weight always work on downward. So 5 into G. If G is taken 10, then is 50 Newton. Okay, friction force always oppose the motion. So this one direction of frictional force will look like that one. Okay, upward direction, because driving force downward, so friction force always oppose the motion, so always work on opposite direction of driving force. Okay, against the driving force. Now after that, that block is not moving in x direction, so net force in x direction is how much? 0. Okay, so summation of f of x this equal to 0. So n1 this equal to how much? 200. I hope so clear. You have silly mistake. So 200. After that, what about frictional force? Limiting frictional force, limiting and kinetic friction both are same because of mu is same. Mu is same. Simply given 0.2. So this one is mu into n1. So we got how much? 40 Newton. Okay, that is how much? 40 Newton. 0.2 into 200, that is 40 Newton. Now this block is moving or not decided by frictional force, okay, and driving force. Now look here, driving force is greater than maximum limiting frictional force. Maximum limiting friction is 40. So this one is 50 is greater than 40. It means this block is moving in which direction? In y direction, going on downward direction. Okay, so acceleration is not 0. That's why written here. Okay, so you can say that according to Newton's second law, sum of f of y this is equal to mass into acceleration, or you can say net force in y direction this is equal to mass into acceleration. If block is moving on this direction, means 50 minus f, 50 minus f this is equal to mass into acceleration, 5 into a. Now during motion, which frictional force act? Simply kinetic friction. So kinetic friction is 40. So 50 minus 40 this is equal to 5a. So that is 10. This is equal to 5a. So a this is equal to 2 meter per second square. During motion, which frictional force act? Kinetic friction force, and that one is 40 Newton. Okay, so you can say that magnitude of frictional force is 40 Newton and acceleration of the block is 2 meter per second square. Okay, make it.